Hello, this is some technology underscore basic. Yeah, I received some message, brother asking me, how do you put Android apps on your computer or your laptop? So I have to do this video quick one and post so that maybe different people too may need it. We are going to open our browser and download one software called Nox Player. Here is it. So we are going to download it. Click on this one and download it, but because of time I have already downloaded it. So let's go to my downloader. Here it is. Let's start downloading it. Yes. So installation will start. I have read and accept the Nox license and agreement. So it's asking whether I would like to install this antivirus. No, I don't need this antivirus, so I reject it. Macav antivirus, do you need? No, I reject it. So installation will start. So it's going on. Installation is going on. So because on your computer the Play Store is difficult to work, we have Play Store here, but if you sign in it gives me a lot of too much trouble. So to be free from this Play Store trouble, for example, this is a Play Store here, and maybe I want to download Netflix. Our installation is going on from Nox. Okay, so let's say the Nox starts. Let's start it. It's loading. It's loading. Here it comes. It says login to discover the latest Android application, game and movies and music. So click on login. So it's sending us, maybe I have logged in with some Gmail on this computer already, or it asks me, so it's asking me to log in with my Gmail. So let me log in with my Gmail. Here you have to log in with your Gmail account. So let me try login with my Gmail. Okay, account. So it comes like this. So if you log in, you can open it like this. So these are apps. For example, let me try downloading this Cindy Crush. So okay, still I should sign in. Okay, let's see what happened. Maybe the sign did not sign well, so let's type the email again. So you log in with your Gmail. It's asking all this, it's asking you to accept this agreement. So you have to accept the Gmail agreement. So we are accepting the agreement. So let's accept this. It's the same as how we do our phone. So now we have the opportunity to download this Cindy Crush. It's a game. Okay, now it's the same as the phone. Escape. Fine, I can download now. Everything is going on well. So this is how simple it is to download Android app on your computer by installing the Nox Player. Any of the version available you can download from Google and install. Okay, so this is finally it's downloaded. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. So it's easy to download and install. So finally we are done. Like, subscribe and comment on this page. So this is the game I downloaded. So we are done with the installation. So anytime you want to open, you can open here to see more games, more softwares here. So you can search for your softwares here. If you want to go back, you can click here to go back. You can click here to go back. You see, you can click here to go back. It's like escape, home. We have home, we have escape. So the buttons here are like volume. So here, this surface alone look like what you can open here anytime. You can even search. You can even search. Let me see. Let me search one app here. IMO. It's searching for IMO. Let me go down. So we can download IMO here. Just click on it. So it's telling me to download another app, which is what? Close. So it's easy to use. This is IMO. I can download IMO here. Yeah, Facebook is here. Can download any app. TikTok is here. Can download. These are games here. You can download any game you want to download. Right. Let me scroll down by using your keyboard down, and scroll down. Right. These are the comments. Very good app. Yes. So it's easy to use. It's easy to use.